Warm beer is such a waste. Consistent cold beer matters. That's why kromedispense introduces draft beer towers with inbuilt glyco-cold technology. It provides optimum cooling at dispensing faucet. Moreover, it comes with a newly designed faucet shank with internal O-rings that saves time and maintenance cost. Wow! Kromedispense's glyco-cold technology is the latest trend in the draft beer industry, where glycol cooling coils are placed more closely to faucets. Beverage lines, all the way from the trunk housing connection to the faucet, are 100% stainless steel. Why stainless steel? It's the brewery's dispensing choice because of its food-safe properties. Our glyco-cold technology towers come with stainless steel contact. What are the components of the glyco-cold tower? The beer line inside the tower has a tapered barbed end that allows an easy connection to either 5/16 or 3/8 inch beer lines. Stainless steel beer lines are joined together with copper coil and wrapped with foam insulation tape for ideal cooling. Foam insulation is filled in the tower to provide ultimate cooling transfer and temperature preservation. Above all, Kromedispense's innovative glyco-cold technology has a special cooling block which prevents rotation and provides quick cold transfer to faucet as copper coils are closer to it. Most of glycol beer towers in the market have O-rings inside the beer tower, which are hard to replace when seals get worn off. To prevent this, Kromedispense specially designed a shank that has internal O-rings, which helps beer line cleaning professionals in their maintenance jobs much faster by just switching shanks with new O-rings. No more time wastage in changing unhygienic, hard-to-reach O-rings. Amazing, isn't it? That's not all. Kromedispense always thinks of adding value in its products and works tirelessly to provide best equipment to breweries, professionals, beer line cleaners, bar owners. Yes, customers can enjoy every drop of it.